We live in a world where trust is like gold, valuable, sought after, and sometimes hard to get. Whether you're trying to win over a skeptical coworker, convince your parents to let you go on your dream trip, or simply connect with others on a deeper level, trust is the secret ingredient that can make all the difference. But how can you get anyone to trust you? Well, you do not need to ponder anymore, because we are here to spill the beans on trust-boosting tricks and tips. In this video, we'll uncover 10 ways that you will have people flocking to your side like birds to a bird feeder. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of trust together. Number 10. Use the power of touch. Did you know that touch has a remarkable ability to build trust? It's true. When we experience human touch, our bodies release a hormone called oxytocin, which is often known as the bonding hormone. This hormone plays a significant role in fostering connections and establishing trust. Something as simple as a friendly pat on the back, a warm handshake, or a gentle touch on the arm during a conversation can trigger the release of oxytocin. This, in turn, creates a sense of connection and trust between individuals. However, it's crucial to be mindful of personal boundaries and cultural norms. Start with small gestures such as a handshake and gauge the other person's comfort level. Remember, the key is to use touch respectfully and appropriately. When done right, it can leave a lasting positive impression and help strengthen the bond between you and the other person. Number 9. Share a vulnerability. Vulnerability might not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about building trust. However, opening up about a personal vulnerability can actually be a powerful trust-building tool. When you share something meaningful and personal with someone, it creates an atmosphere of authenticity and demonstrates that you trust them enough to let your guard down. It encourages reciprocity and invites them to share their vulnerabilities as well. This mutual vulnerability deepens the bond and helps establish trust on a deeper level. Of course, it's important to choose the right time and place to share and to ensure that you feel comfortable with the person you're confiding in. Remember, trust is a two-way street, and being open and vulnerable can pave the way for meaningful connections. Number 8. Share positive gossip. Gossip often has a negative connotation, but what if we turned it around to spread positivity? Engaging in positive gossip involves sharing stories or anecdotes that highlight others' strengths, achievements, or acts of kindness. When you talk about people in a positive light, it creates a supportive and uplifting atmosphere. It also shows that you're a trustworthy and positive person who loves uplifting others. Research shows that positive gossip can promote pro-social behavior and strengthen social bonds. By actively participating in positive conversations about others, you demonstrate your genuine interest in their well-being and contribute to a culture of trust and positivity. So, the next time you have the opportunity, share a heartwarming story or commend someone's accomplishments. Your positive gossip will not only make others feel good, but also enhance the trust and camaraderie among those involved. Number 7. Try to uplift people. We all love receiving praise, but not all compliments are created equal. Instead of generic praise like, "You're great," try offering specific compliments that highlight a person's unique skills or achievements. Specific compliments show that you pay attention to detail and genuinely appreciate the individual. For example, instead of saying, "You're a good cook," you could say, "I love how you infuse unique flavors into your dishes. That lasagna you made last week was absolutely delicious." This personalized approach not only makes the compliment more meaningful, but also shows that you truly see and value the person for who they are. By offering specific compliments, you leave a lasting positive impression and contribute to building trust in your relationships. Number 6. Be consistent and reliable. Consistency is a cornerstone of trust building. Think about someone you trust in your life. Chances are they consistently follow through on their commitments and their words align with their actions. Being reliable builds confidence in others because they know they can count on you. Make sure to fulfill your promises and meet your obligations. If you say you'll be somewhere or do something, follow through. Consistency also involves maintaining a consistent character and values. When your behavior remains steady over time, people feel more secure trusting you. By being consistent and reliable, you establish a reputation for trustworthiness that will strengthen your relationships and build trust effortlessly. Number 5. Be inquisitive. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone seemed genuinely interested in what you had to say? It feels great, right? Showing genuine interest is a powerful way to build trust. When you actively listen and ask open-ended questions, you demonstrate that you value the other person's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This creates a sense of validation and respect, making them more likely to trust you. Research backs this up. Studies have shown that asking questions and listening attentively can actually strengthen interpersonal relationships and build rapport. So, if you want to create stronger connections with others, it's time to let your curiosity take the wheel. Next time you find yourself in a conversation, resist the temptation to steer it towards your own stories. Instead, put the spotlight on the other person and let your genuine curiosity guide the way. Trust me, it's a simple yet powerful way to make meaningful conversations and build lasting relationships. Number 4. Practice active empathy. Step into their shoes and feel their emotions. That's empathy in a nutshell. Empathy goes beyond sympathy, diving into the depths of understanding. When you actively practice empathy, you listen intently, acknowledge their feelings, and truly comprehend their perspective. Studies reveal that empathy builds trust and strengthens relationships. By reflecting on their emotions and showing genuine concern, you forge a powerful connection. You let them know that you genuinely care about their happiness and well-being. The next time someone opens up to you, seize the opportunity to empathize. Listen with your heart and respond with understanding. This empathetic approach will build trust and fortify your bond with others. Number 3. Use humor appropriately. Laughter is a magical bridge that connects people and creates a welcoming environment. Humor, when used right, has the incredible ability to build trust. Sharing a well-timed and tasteful joke or funny anecdote can lighten the mood and bring a sense of levity to interactions. Research shows that laughter has a positive impact on social relationships and can increase feelings of trust and rapport. However, it's essential to be mindful of the context and preferences of those around you. Aim for inclusive and light-hearted humor that doesn't offend or alienate others. By sharing a laugh, you create a positive and enjoyable experience that makes others more likely to trust and connect with you. Number 2. Demonstrate competence. In a world where knowledge and skill are highly valued, those who demonstrate expertise naturally attract attention and admiration. By showcasing your competence in your chosen field, hobby, or specific skill, you become a beacon of confidence and trustworthiness. Constantly strive to improve your understanding and stay up to date with the latest developments. Sharing your knowledge and insights with others at the appropriate times not only helps you solidify your own expertise, but also positively influences how others perceive you. Research has shown that perceived competence directly impacts trust and credibility. When you demonstrate your capabilities, you not only inspire faith in others, but also establish yourself as a reliable source of information and assistance. It is crucial to remember that competence should always be coupled with integrity. By aligning your expertise with ethical behavior, you can create an image that is both trustworthy and respected. Number 1. Offer assistance without expecting anything in return. The power of genuine kindness should never be underestimated when it comes to building trust. When you offer your support and assistance without any hidden agendas or expectations, it creates a profound sense of trust and gratitude. Be generous with your time, resources, or expertise when someone is in need. Research suggests that selfless acts of assistance have the incredible ability to foster trust and strengthen relationships. By being there for others without seeking personal gain, you show that you genuinely care about their well-being and are willing to invest in the relationship. So, keep an eye out for opportunities to lend a helping hand. Your genuine acts of kindness will not only make a difference in someone's life, but also build trust and deepen your connection. Building trust is not about manipulation or shortcuts. It's about fostering genuine connections, respect, and empathy. By incorporating these tips into your interactions, you can create an environment that nurtures trust and strengthens your relationships over time. So go ahead and put these intriguing, fun, and creative tips into practice. Cultivate trust by being authentic, showing genuine interest, and fostering positive connections. As you do, you'll discover the power of trust in building meaningful and fulfilling relationships. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.